Hello, everybody. This is Sahil Solanki from IIM Ranchi, and IIM Rohtak has released its admit card. So this is a video tutorial. You can download it from their website. If you are facing any problem, you can watch this video and see how you can download it. Okay. So here is the site. If you are unable to find the link, I'll attach the link in the description. You can go on the link, click there, and you'll come across this site. And here is the complete application form link. You click here. Here you'll get a candidate login interface where you'll have to enter your credentials, which you must have on your email ID. So enter your credentials here, application ID and password, and enter the CAPTCHA and login. After doing the login thing, you will get this admit card thing here, and you can click on the admit card and you'll get the your admit card here. You can download it directly from this arrow. So it will get downloaded here on your device, and here it is. So all the best.